Kain tayo guys. Happy Tuesday! Nagpakuha ako ng dugo kanina at babasahin yung result sa August 7. Nagpa-lab test ako. So, I'm gonna eat now. I cooked steak, ribeye steak. I made another salad, same as yesterday, and then mashed potato, macaroni, mac and cheese, and then cornbread. And then of course yung kahapong rice ininit ko. Kain tayo guys. Happy Tuesday! Hindi na po ako magdidilig. Salamat po sa ulan. Maraming salamat po sa biyaya ng ulan. Hindi na po ako magdidilig ng aking mga halaman at tuwang-tuwa po ang aking mga tanim. Ayan. Umuulan sa Texas. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Umuulan sa Texas. Dito ako nagluto kanina ng aking steak. Aking huhugasan at lilinisin ng aking tuwang-tuwa ang aking mga halaman. Nauulanan sila. Ayan. Aking ampalaya doon. Ang dami ng kumakain na insekto sa aking ampalaya. Kitang-kita ko yung mga insekto nakadapo sa aking ampalaya. Yung bunga ng ampalaya, kukuhanin ko na yan. Maulan! Tuesday morning! Tuwang-tuwa ang aking mga halaman. Ang aking mga halaman ay tuwang-tuwa. Kain po tayo ng melon. Ito ay, sa atin ay melon. Dito naman ay cantaloupe. Ito ay pakwan sa atin. Dito naman ay watermelon. May swimming lesson ang Miss America. Hi, Miss America. We have swimming lesson for the baby, Marilyn, Miss America.
Are you ready about 20 minutes?
Swimming lesson today. We're gonna go. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, everyone. Hi. Hi. Hi po! Magsusining po ang baby cute. Are you baby cute? Let's go na! Carry the girl. Bago ang swimsuit niyan. Bago ang swimsuit. Cute. Para ka nalugi sa alamang, ha, Marlon?
5:30.
Parang nalugi sa alamang si Marilyn. 6:30. It's 5 years old swimming suit yan eh. Bakit parang ang liit? Daddy, it's too small. The 5 years old swimsuit. It's okay? Daddy?
It's fine. It looks good on it.
Aww, so cute pa. Apple pie. Lagi yung red, ang pisngi niyan, red. Rosy chick. Serious. So serious. So serious, girl. Ay, nako. Mag-swimming na naman ang mga batuta. So excited yun. Palaging excited ang baby. What bread it on? Swimming.
Oh, you want out, Predator? Yeah. Here you go, Predator. Hey, it feels good.
Feels good.
Hi guys, Randolph Air Force Base.
After the swimming lesson,
Yep.
then we go straight here.
Tim's got a friend. He's playing with a boy. Both 10-year-old boys playing at the Air Force Base.
Marilyn likes to play the water.
Whoa! Hey! Marilyn's got her brand new swimsuit on. Just got today from Walmart.
Go up, go up, go up.